Well, I happened to see a news report on our local news. I'm from South Bend, Elkhart area, about the CRLAB and thought that would be something that I'd be interested in learning more about. So I just did a little research and came across a couple email addresses, and Leslie emailed me back right away. The first visit I was really excited because she let me hold some of the hair, and when I felt how soft it was and how different from other products I'd had before, I knew it was something I definitely was interested in. And the whole process of the way the mold shapes to your head is nothing I've ever had before, so I thought that would be something that would help me feel more confident. Well, I've had hair loss since I've been 12, and I'm 50 now, so most of my life I didn't have hair, haven't had hair. So having something mold to my head and feel like everybody else's hair has made a big difference for me. I feel like people aren't noticing that my hair looks different from theirs. I've had it about 6 months now, and usually with other pieces that I've had, they start to fade a lot and they start to tangle. I had a lot of problems with tangling in the past, and this just does not do that. And so I can scrunch it and go, I can curl it, I can flat iron, whatever I feel like doing, and it just does what anybody else's hair would do. They've made me comfortable from the very second I walked in, and excited to be doing this, and just top-notch treatment. I haven't felt this confident since I can remember, so it's worth every penny.